Gotta push this out somehow. Alright, there we go. I got another order from Flip, and I'm really excited to see what is inside this bag. You can see it is the Liddle Speaker. This looks incredible. It's something that you can attach to the back of your phone and prop your phone up, but have a speaker be playing at the same time. It's wireless, it's water resistant. There are so many different things that you can use with this speaker. And another great thing about this is you can pair two different speakers together. So if I do get one in the future, I'll have to do that as well. Let's open this up and see what we get. It's a great pink little box that you open up and drag this part out, and oh my goodness. This looks so adorable, and even the little manual is so tiny, and I just love this already. But it comes with a USB-A to USB-C plug. These rings are actually for something if you don't want it to be magnetized, but the bottom is already a magnet. So if you want something to not be magnetized to this actual magnet, you just attach this just like that and peel this off, and it'll just sit on whatever you want to have it on. So this is very cool. I'm very excited to try this out. So there's a little port in the back here that folds out, and that is the USB-C port. So we need to charge this up. It looks like this is where the sound comes out of it, and this feels very nice. It's kind of like a mesh type feeling to it. It's not squishy or anything, but it just feels very soft. And this button is what turns it on and off. So once I have it charged, I'll do another video about this speaker just to see how it sounds and see what the quality is of this little speaker. Get it? Thank you so much for watching, and let's keep living that Flipster life.